Hello and welcome to Artistry by Betsy. I'm Betsy Ogles. We're going to be starting a new project today that I'm really excited about. I'm helping one of my students navigate through creating a painting for herself from some photos she took on a trip to Colorado. It's an endearing picture to her. She's a piano teacher and it is of a piano but outdoors. And we're going to be doing this at her request with a watercolor block-in and finish off with colored pencils. So let's begin the fun. The first thing we've done is prepare a line drawing of the subject. Did that by adjusting the photo to add a bouquet of flowers and a second branch from the tree. There's also some components in the background we're going to leave out because they're just too distracting. I've transferred the line drawing onto my watercolor paper. I'm using Fabriano 140-pound cold press paper. And we're going to begin with a graded wash. The sun is coming very brightly from the upper left this way. So the wall, the brick wall that's behind here is very bright with sun hitting it until you come over into here where the trees are casting dappled shadows from the leaves, and it gets a little bit darker and cooler as we come right down into the shadow here. I have prepared some watercolor. I've got yellow ochre, Daniel Smith yellow ochre, Daniel Smith Monte Amiata Sienna, Mission Burnt Sienna, Daniel Smith Sepia, and Winsor & Newton Raw Umber. Those are the colors I'm going to put into the brick wall. And I have created very washy puddles of all of the colors. I don't want bold, dark colors in the background here. But I've got those all prepared so that I can just switch from one color to another without delay.